Today is 31st October 2021. Hari ni 31 Oktober.
And coming soon.
2021.
And coming soon of a new first one. His name is November.
Okay. Kita nak berjalan kawasan sekitar our housing area. We are surrounded by water. Kita nak jalan-jalan, tengok air dan melimpah air sungai. Kawasan pokok senar dengan jabi. Yeah.
And
Previously, yeah.
Of this jalan trap.
Oh, okay, jalan-jalan track. So now we go and see. Okay, yeah.
Oh my god, what is that?
Apa? Mussel, cockles or whatever lah, seafood. Yeah. Yeah, it's seafood.
Seafood snail.
Seafood snail. Oh my god. Oh.
It's wet.
Oh yeah, doesn't matter. Have water?
Never mind.
Okay. It's okay to get wet. We are in the water. Oh my god, Masya Allah. So kiri kanan sekarang air sudah penuh. Wow. Semakin dalam, semakin air dah hampir ke lutut saya. Inilah hi YouTubers. Welcome to Dah Studio. Please subscribe. Tengok kita punya video perkembangan terkini. Breaking news. Kawasan ni Pekan Langgar. Di belakang Pekan Langgar, kawasan perumahan belakang Langgar, Pondok Haji Husin. Come Zakri. Yeah, you're not going there? We're going to the mausoleum. Kita nak pergi tengok. Come. Oh, yeah. Now Zakri is like behind there. Come on, Zakri. Zakri, come. Lintau sudah keluar. Lintau tak apa, jangan ular. Come Zakri. Jom. Hi. Really have leeches. Leeches is still okay, have not the snake. Please stay away. Have branches inside. Carry this. Zakri! Oh, Masya Allah ya Rabbi. Habis pokok-pokok bunga Taman Home Garden Bob dibanjari air. Oh. Ini adalah kawasan Pondok Haji Husin. Kita tengok di rumah di belakang. Hampir di tenggelam air.
Oh my god, I saw the sun. Sun.
Look. All water. Oh my god. Jalan.
Okay.
Kawasan makam diraja dan ke berhadapan Sungai Langgar. Di sini adalah makam diraja Langgar.
Wait.
Ya.
And guys, if you look here. So look at the camera. Okay.
Oh. Okay, clever boy. Jabatan sungai. Ini adalah makam diraja. Wow. Di sana adalah pondok Tok Janggut. Oh. See the cats come. Rescue. The cat. Oh. Meow. Kucing telah diselamatkan. Oh. PC the cat.
Wow.
Dia duduk diam pula nang. Dia duduk diam. Kucing pun perlu diselamatkan. Oh, look. Poor cat. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, 5.
5. Oh, here baby cat. Oh, oh, so cute.
Oh.
Oh, how many? 3, 4. Wow. 3. So cute. Ha, ni rumah kat mana?
Dalam.
Belah dalam last kali tu.
Tak ada last kali tengah-tengah tu lah.
Tengah-tengah sebelah orang maklum tu. Oh, now it become cool.
Wah. There
Wah.
we go. Why is she going to see Pekan? Oh my god. It's really hard. It's like an ocean. It's like an ocean right now. I don't see my feet right now.
Okey. Kita di pondok rehat depan makam diraja. Tengok di belakang kawasan sungai. Jambatan masih belum ditenggelami air.
Oh god. No.
Enggak. Isi the motor. Ui. Oi, this girl. Hole ya, hole. Oh, look. Okey. Di belakang saya ni adalah jalan makam diraja. And sebelah kiri adalah jalan pondok tasak. Juga dipenuhi air. Jalan makam diraja pun tasak. We only scared the snake. Again, the microphone Mimi have here. Okay, okay. What do you want to say? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Now I saw there's another video. There's this see the jalan. I just walk in the water and hey, what are you doing here? Come on. Okay.
Many touching.
So touching. Okay, I found it right here. It's actually shocking. It looks like whoa! And you see, if you see this, I still covered the dragon right over here.
Ah, was it big?
Big, yeah.
How big?
Oh, yeah, just a little bit right here. A little bit.
Wow, that's long.
Yeah.
Okay.
Again.
Okay. Okay, sekarang ni adalah jalan ke Masjid Langgar.
And the comment
Masjid Tukul Kasum. Rumah berhampiran pun hampir ditenggelami air.
Oh,
hi.
there's a car.
There's a car coming. Di sana adalah arah Masjid Tunku Kasum Langgar.
I found the video. It's saw the no water here.
Ooh.
Oh my god!
Move to the back, Nani.
It's like a wave for like a tsunami.
Okay, sana.
Oh no! Okay, I go. Oh! Oh my god! It's so big! Oh no!
Okay.
Wait, okay. Oh no! Oopsie, wait. Wait.
Can you wear the slipper? That's funny.
Sorry.
Okay.
Whoa. Oh god. Everything. Ah. Whoa. Whoa.
Sekarang jalan ni adalah menuju keluar ke Pekan Langgar. Di sebelah kanan sini adalah sungai. What's that?
You make look. You see?
There's a bump.
Bum.
There's a bump here.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
How many meters? Berapa kaki?
You see this?
Oh.
It's nothing.
Oh, the water level measurement
No measurement.
is gone or is over?
It's on.
So normally it's how many feet?
No.
Wow.
It came. Oh no. Wait,
7
wait.
kaki. Yeah.
Wait. Recording.
Yeah, Papa, you're recording.
And it's nothing. I think it go over right here.
Yeah, the water is higher. Oh, my. We have to go to the front. Huh?
Oh god.
Oh, God.
Oh god.
Wow. Over 7 feet. Oh, my God. Yeah.
Okay.
Habis. Oh, ni tak masuk lagi. Tinggi.
Oh.
Oh, slowly.
Oh no. Oh gobble.
Oh.
Gobble.
Now we go higher.
Okay.
Kita penempatan di sini adalah di belakang Pekan Langgar, belakang kedai. Sekarang kita menuju ke Pekan Langgar. Slowly. Slowly. Oh, Mimi. Slowly. Don't push me. I thought I fall into the water.
No, I fall.
Yeah, slowly. We cannot fall into the water. So, we hope the water will not go to our house, huh? Exactly. Okay.
Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. I go home and then I want to do. Maybe you have any take you want to make it on a jury.
No problem.
Okay. Bye.
No, I don't. Oh, wait.
Wait. Oh god, my sleeper. Wait. Bye.
Okay. Itu saja setengah petang ni.